Some track and field news now. Immaculate Conception High say they're aiming for a top 3 finish at the 2026 ISA Boys and Girls Championships, which would mark a best ever finish for the Constant Spring Road based school. Immaculate secured a 5th place finish at this year's Boys and Girls Champs, amassing exactly 100 points to finish behind the likes of champions Heidel, Adrenaline, Home Technical and San Diego. This represented a best finish for Immaculate in over 25 years at Champs. Coach Sebastian Thompson says to achieve their ambitious target, they'll be looking to diversify their program through the middle and long distance events.
Well, definitely we are looking to gain a couple points. The aim for us on that side of the program is to put at least 50 points on the board, you know. So as you know, we are going for at least top 3 this year, and that's our ambition. We are never here to just procrastinate and for leisure. We are here to compete. We are here to be effective in what we do, you know, here to show that Immaculate Conception High can be a great track and field program amongst others in the country, amongst the greats.